Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get an amazing and totally free adult application to your Firestick, Fire TV Cube or Android TV. It's really easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. And now, without any further ado, let's proceed. So first of all, we'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can get it for free from the official Amazon App Store or Google Play Store, depending of course on your device. Just go to search and here in that search bar we'll have to type Downloader. So let's do it. As you can see, there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app because Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on Downloader and that's the app which you need to get to your device. However, after you get Downloader, it's not over yet, we still have to set it up. And to set up Downloader, we have to go to settings, so here they are, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And here you have to enable developer options for your Fire Stick. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, if you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. In that case, we have to go to About, then select Fire TV Stick. Now take your remote and click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. In your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which have appeared right here. So we'll open them, enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here turn that option on for Downloader. So what it does is going to allow us to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now go to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, let's click on it. And now when it opens, you'll finally see Downloader, which we installed to the Fire Stick. However, before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they are super fast, they got a great application for Fire Sticks or Android TVs or pretty much any other device you may think of. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, their price is less than a cup of coffee per month, which is amazing. What a VPN does, it basically hides all the things that you do online, so from the moment you connect, all your internet traffic is totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and your internet provider won't be able to know what apps you are using or what videos you're watching. And that's extremely important if you wish to stay anonymous when using adult applications, like we're going to do today. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. So go get those 4 months for free and then use Downloader safely, and of course stream videos anonymously. Now we can finally open the Downloader application, so let's do so. There on the left side menu we have to click on Home, that's really important, so make sure to click on Home. Now you'll see such a search bar in which we'll be entering a code, which in our case is 28907. So once again, your code is 28907. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see on the screen. Do not make any mistakes, because if you make a mistake, the code is not going to work. And after that, make sure to click on Go. Now, in a couple of seconds, a website is going to load for us. Now a website has opened for us, and all we have to do is just scroll down a little bit until we see that list of categories. So here it is, and there's the category that we are looking for with the heart icon. So now just click on that category. Then a huge list of applications is going to open for you, and there's the one which you need to click on. You can see the name of the app on the screen. I will not pronounce the name of the app because YouTube may not like it, but just take a look at the screen and make sure to click on the same application. Then most likely some ad is going to open for you, and what you have to do here is just click on close. because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up for you. So click on close or on X depending on what ad you are seeing, and after that a new web page is going to open for you, which you also have to scroll down. And you gotta keep scrolling until you see those buttons. As you can see, it says download Fire TV or Android TV boxes. That's the button we're looking for. But if for some reason it does not work for you and you cannot download the application, then just click on backup download. That's going to work for you. So now we click on the download button, and in a couple of seconds the download is going to start. As you can see, that happened really fast. Now we just need to click on install, and in a couple of seconds the app is going to be installed to your Firestick or Android TV, depending on what device you are using. Now we see that the app is installed, but we don't need to click on open yet. We still have some things to do. In our case, we need to click on done, because here we have an option to delete the installation files, as we do not require them anymore. So click on delete here, and now we have erased the unnecessary installation file from our device. Now click on home on your remote and go to the list of applications on your Firestick. Now it loads, and after it has loaded, let's scroll down. And in the list of apps, you are going to find this new adult application which we just installed. In my case, as you can see, I had to blur out the logo of the app because YouTube may not like it, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. Just don't forget to use a VPN when streaming such applications to stay totally anonymous online. Once again, a link to a great offer for NordVPN with 4 months for free is going to be in the pinned comment below the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.